Asking for leave at work. Welcome to Read with Rimmi. We read, we grow. The office was buzzing with phone calls and computer sounds. Raj nervously walked up to his manager's desk. He cleared his throat. "Excuse me, ma'am, could I speak with you for a moment?" The manager looked up, slightly surprised. "Yes, Raj, what is it?" Raj hesitated. I need to take a day off next week." The manager frowned. "A day off? Next week? Why?" Raj shuffled his feet. "It's my cousin's wedding. I promised my family I'd be there." The manager sighed. "Raj, you know we have a deadline next week." Raj nodded quickly. "I know, ma'am. I have already finished most of my tasks. I'll make sure everything's updated before I leave." The manager crossed her arms, thinking, "You have been working hard lately," she said finally. "All right, I'll approve your leave, but just one day, okay?" Raj's face lit up. "Thank you so much, ma'am. I really appreciate it." The manager smiled faintly. "Just make sure you are back on time." Raj grinned. "Of course, ma'am. I won't let you down." He walked back to his desk, feeling relieved. He realized that being honest and respectful always made a difference. Thanks for listening. We are learning and growing together.